Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable autocomplete suggestions in DuckDuckGo app on Android device. Well, knowing how to enable autocomplete suggestions in DuckDuckGo can improve your browsing experience by providing helpful suggestions as you type in the search bar. Autocomplete suggestions can help you quickly find relevant search queries or URLs, saving your time and effort. This feature can be particularly useful when you are not sure how to spell a word or when you are looking for popular search terms related to your query. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open DuckDuckGo app. And then you can open any website here. After that, you can click this icon. Well, so here select all settings. And then you can scroll down till you find this option. Okay, and then now you can turn it on like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable autocomplete suggestions in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.